Little muscle car time here at Unique, especially in classics. It's a 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu. 402 big block underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission. Turbo Hydromatic 400 to be exact. Also nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, more modern AC compressor. Underneath the hood, I've not had the clutch kick on and off, but AC appears all the components are there and plumbed in. We're gonna pop the hood here at the end of the video, start it up. Let's check out what's underneath there. Kind of a black cherry metallic, I'd call this. Nice color on this car. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome grille, headlight surrounds. The paint does show well. There's a few little spots, I don't know if I can get them to show up, but just a couple little spots, maybe just a touch up here or there. But overall, you can see that paint has a nice shine to it. See the reflection in it. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see this car from every angle. Undersides, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the descriptions. Going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Chrome wheels and spinners. Here's one in the front. Also, this car will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan, and it may be eligible to extend that out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. White vinyl interior. Aftermarket JVC stereo. We'll get around to the driver's side, check out the interior a little closer too. Before we do that, just remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Let's take a look at the chrome in the rear. Looks good, dual exhaust. And again, check out that paint. Will be some things going along with this car, including a car cover, an inspection cover. Also, it does have this was the weather stripping for the roof rail, weather stripping seal, upper wiper blades and arms, and then a full-size spare and chrome wheel. So that will be in the trunk. Go along with the car. If you want to see pictures of the trunk, the underside, interior, take your time. Over 100 pictures of this car online, UniqueClassicCars.com. Let's take a look from the rear to the front, down the driver's side. And as you can see, it's pretty free of much of nicks, dings, scratches. Again, a few little touch-ups here or there. It's one that's been driven. Get in and drive this one, have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, car shows. So we'll definitely turn some heads. Here's this white with burgundy bi-color interior. You can see the seats really free of rip stairs, holes, much wear at all. Seat belts intact. Headliner's good. Let's go ahead and fire this up. It does have aftermarket odometer gauges. A little different gauge cluster, but looks nice. Lower fan works. Again, 402 we just fired up. That's paired up with an automatic transmission. It appeared all the gauges worked also. Stereo working. Was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to move yet. Otherwise, oil pressure, fuel, volts, tach. Odometer shows 10,576, so that was since the gauges were installed, obviously. This car has undergone restoration work. The way the interior looks and paint looks. Door closes and fits nicely. And listen to this. Good sounding car, that big block. I'm going to pop this hood open, take a pause here for a second, and we'll check out that engine bay. Take a look underneath the hood. There it is. This does have an Edelbrock 4-barrel on it. Edelbrock Performer RPM intake manifold headers. And as you can see, power steering, power brake. There's your AC. Here's some more modern fittings. That's been converted, like I said, newer style. Aluminum radiator. Good looking engine bay. Don't be ashamed to have that one open at a car show. Let them check it out. 1968 Chevrolet Malibu 2-door hardtop. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, you can call us 507-386-1726. Remember that extended protection plan that's going to come with. That may be extendable. And we can also assist with transportation. We do consider trades. And we do offer financing on the classics. Give us a call.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles. And the roads are primarily dry, so we can do these driving videos for you. This car has a nice set of gauges with a custom gauge plate. You hear a little bit of wind noise. That's from these quarter windows. The car is smooth on the road. Not getting a pull any direction, so it goes nice and straight. It's got lots of power. Radio works good. It's a JVC aftermarket radio. This car has a nice interior. Great exhaust sound. Got what looks like a rally style wheel with wood. It's also very nice. Go around this roundabout and get up to speed one more time. It's an automatic on the column, easy to drive. It's got a nice center armrest with cup holders. Oil pressure is at 50. Fuel's at a quarter. Volts are at 14. Tachometer is functional, and nice speedometer as well, showing 10,575 on the aftermarket gauge. Check this Chevelle out at UniqueClassicCars.com.